Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Maximize. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to fix your Tinder account if your account has been banned. Stick till the end to find the solution. At first, go on Google on your cell phone. Now search Tinder support. Now, tap on the top link saying submit a request. Once you're on the Tinder help page, you need to fill out a request form. Select your issue. Tap on Trouble with Account Login. Now, in the What's Going On section, tap on Can't Log In. My account was banned. You need to fill in your email address now. Put in your phone number. And submit a description describing your issue. Here you go. You can also upload an attachment showing the problem. Now tap on Submit and your request has been submitted. Your Tinder account would be soon reinstated. Easy, right? See you next time and don't forget to subscribe.